Mama akwaba wo frame me adwoa searching mesrel na wa subscribe to my channel. Me a notification bell no so for more news. Ebusuafo Lawyer Morris Ampao eno kase ne no wa fa NDC fo basa o kire se o mampenda da mahama no pe ba bintina na abannya do be wini na eye ona kasa ne party odi anim founder of the by Papa Jerry, His Excellency the ex-president wonya ne baby ko yankopon emfaninsi eye Jerry John Rawlings Ushra Vice President Dr. Bawumia ansa no wini nti NDC for afide by hook or by crook boko position yenti nsema eye Rawlings Morris Ampao ede etija
to the extent say Ajibibia has no choice than O2 to bless him. He came here, no, Bawumia and complaining. Bawumia campaign was every sector to sector, no, or prefer solutions. Or see energy. Yabe energy here, the solar beba. What do you say? Or see a dollar, no, we need to strengthen the dollar and ensure say dollar no, yeah, the gold, we're exchanging dollar no, and then no pay, but the ensure say dollar no, you're fighting, you're mechanizing Greek, now you're changing the face of the economy so that at least we can attract more dollars into the system. Uber health drones and in the amount, but all building more health infrastructures and then taking care of nurses and teachers. But Bawumia was preferring solutions. Uber taxes are the flat tax are they back. Any the way is going to ensure say import duties are imported from Togo and they gonna buy pepper. The man is professing solutions, practical solutions. Is or man gonna for hope. Say look, my ba me Bawumia me mdenie. Nyame ya dum na mutu mamia. Nyame ya dum onim say ne 2 million ne dia. Onye 2 million dia Ghana for be decide. But other home bra say Islam say nyame ya dum no ba. The program policy e ma okwa yifie kwa ma ifo no can say look, we are going to document your policies and your programs and your promises. That is what that man is doing. But me and say or your vice president you know definitely at all costs say Ghana for tomano and now obey use other means. No, or say I am coming to you to seek your mandate. And wako first phase, second phase. Obeko sa aka less than 6 months to elections. Bawumia is doing effective campaign. It's all carrying the way. Bebe oko biano, obia penasem, okra carries back the blessings. Lawrence the crowd blessing. Lawrence the crowd blessing Bawumia. What do you say? Now, hold dear, Bawumia hold dear the be campaign fit no purpose number. They be order around 2-3 a.m. Na ye wia munko hwe campaign munko hwe nia mama and the NDC for so ye bra Bawumia our grounds area campaign no mama ni NDC for so I decided say omo de omo campaign omo nje but rather no complain through press conference but MP NDC for press conference wa aboma me hwe omo ba ma press conference to counter Bawumia campaign. Bawumia used 3 days at all Asante region. I speak to advisor group. Look at it.
To you for honoring our invitation at this shortest possible notice.
Now, what catching say or retire from politics mo onko contesting as MP. Na Kennedy Paul so that you be one in say or presidential ambition. If I can't the point cancel na president ambition can only na a man team here. Because there's no way out and I can decide this opposite president. But circumstances say this 1 or 2 thing factors no. Kennedy Flow say look, time I do I also be contesting. Na Kennedy contesting here. Internal contest definitely ba. Obi abetutu bi ama ne nyonko. Na ye tutu ma ye ho no na enye say ya atamfo. Ya. So I said two football enyanu omu ni amobo ball na baako ebo team A na baako team BB na baako eye number 7 na baako ye number 3 ke ometwa mo ho because there's no way out enyanu mienu omu nia ye boxers omu ye twins no mu ye boxers say omo kwa kensi a yebe wi na ba ko pra ba ko but omo wi a omo embrace each other. That's sportsmanship. Politics is like sports. Politics bibia wo mu. O di ase bibia wo politics mu. Wa gadri wo mu ye boni pa yembu. Ye tumi kansam kra to so. Ye tumi kansam atemidie wo mu. O di ase propaganda wo mu. Bibia wo politics mu. And it was an internal contest but to wa. Baby obi ejina no obi akabi. But nenye yem oh, sabi kene je me tiwa make those days make us theater for the pon because them say kene pon ye di papa wasum party no ye our podcast experience why ye be ama party no but na a contest inti ye ka no na kene di so kebi na obi kebi sa na tie inti ya keke wie na contest na be wie ba o me wini kene di ade atumu nia wanya tumno akos for me after franto eko Kennedy oye matured on himself no even if there is something wrong with the party no, let me stay in the party I mean fighting party no that the right thing should be done no what stay no what to the boss now what fighting some of the wrongs of say it ought to be we have say correct no why na say no ni nua keto Bawumia start say okwapro na Kennedy tell who didn't say no or will be bisunko or be buani ni aketuano because it's about MPP it's about the future of the country because Kennedy who say the alternative is scary so no yin hu film now a man the supporters and no more didn't say look Bawumia is the man of the moment Bawumia will message Bawumia will policy Bawumia will campaigning effectively Bawumia is showing signs say do so showing signs say so to so Bawumia is showing signs say otuba man penina onye history na history but on for the programs and policies and to ho na enwa Ghana no that's that generation eba no digitization any IT ni computer age no we need somebody what be mu to move the nation and Kennedy bon attracts assessment and we say Bawumia wa umbrasier Bawumia penkebumu Bawumia show for the sign of maturity and what show say is a serious flag bearer. Now Kennedy decided say wabe joiner na ifu na yedede no hifu na yedede no na ebi mu
ehemfo emu eni mu nipa na ewo ho no mo anu matena se samo tena se ye yiri pa no a akwan ya obefa so ye yini se assembly bia so so ye the lawyers akwakoto assembly bia ewia na government no no ye MOU o ma sign contract ni ye yino a sikania wo area ho na se sikania o ba bibia no omra meye oba beye pa aban no tua ma